I'm Aaron C. Guevara. I'm BHHM Foodie, and this is my video essay. So, science and technology, in my opinion, have become so important with our daily lives because if the technology cannot available right now, it's hard for us to imagine a world without them. And also, the one of the most important of advantage of technology are the use of internet by using gadgets through communication. If you have a connection like data, it can make easier and faster and more accessible than ever before. Because before, only the use of paper, you can write the message what you like so fast. So now we can connect with people across the global instantly. Even if the people are far away, we can share information easily. And for my experience by using technology, sometimes the updated news is faster by posting in their social media accounts, so we can easily know what happened and what the world can face the situation. Additionally, the technology nowadays is have a big contribution by enhancing healthcare and well-being. Like example, X-rays, CT scan, and MRIs. We can know your situation. So for me, it's a it's have a big impact for the diagnostic treatment. So because of science and technology in today's generation, we can create a critical thinking by encouraging curiosity, problem solving, and pursuit of knowledge. In summary, science and technology are becoming more formative than before by force of facing or shaping the lives of today's generation. It can influence every types or aspect of your existence. Thank you po.